This video presentation is designed to introduce you to the wheelchair escalator, new, novel, and needed, the ride that changes lives. New products being introduced to the prosthetic equipment market come from 1. Established sources of supply, or 2. As the basis of a new ambitious startup. The wheelchair escalator does not fall into either of these categories. It is rather the first-time effort of an established private university to commercialize the product conceived and designed by students and faculty of its well-known engineering department. I speak, of course, about the University of Detroit Mercy and its highly regarded engineering co-op program. For several years, the university, through special coordinator Dr. Marley McKellen and Pamela Edmund-Scott, Associate Chief Nurse of the John D. Dingle VA Hospital, located in Detroit, worked together to identify engineering projects that would be significantly helpful to disabled veterans. The VA would then commission, you might say challenge, the UDM engineering department to come up with an appropriate solution. One of those problems dealt with the inability of a power wheelchair user to independently leave his home because of a 7-step staircase. Under the guidance of Professor Nassif Reyes and Dr. Daryl Klinke, a team of engineering students designed and built a, quote, proof of concept, quote, prototype of a powered platform lift that appeared to meet the patient's needs. The product was demonstrated to the faculty and invited public at a UDM Veterans Administration Reveal project on April 21, 2015. Ray Okonski, one of the guests, was impressed with the product and felt it met the criteria of being new, novel, and needed, and it was clearly a product that could be of great help to the handicapped community if properly commercialized. Ray offered to provide funds and program direction to the university as required. Professor Reyes and Klinke responded affirmatively, and the program was born. The team worked in the large engineering bay and the adjacent machine shop. Chris Sasick, Evan Jeffries, and George Terrell are shown taking a break. Satisfying some of his engineering curiosity, Ray Okonski is shown examining an early version of the trolley wheel subassembly. Dr. Reyes and George are shown checking out the battery. It was a team effort. To assure the maximum degree of operating safety, 3D covers on all moving sections were designed and installed. The trolley wheel assembly and the rear chock driving mechanism are shown. We think of the wheelchair escalator as new, novel, and needed, the ride that changes lives because, number 1, it is designed to operate in the rigorous outdoor environment. Number 2, it is essentially a portable device, easily installed by 2 men in a half hour. There are no permanent connections to the existing stairway, which is adjustable from 3 to 10 steps. No city building permits or electrical inspections are required. As a consequence, the unit lends itself to short-term rental arrangements. The platform is self-powered with a 12-volt AGM battery-driven winch, which provides the user with 3 weeks of daily operation before the battery needs recharging. The winch incorporates a dual-drive arrangement that provides an extra degree of safety. The platform is equipped with a free-fall stop should it jam on the staircase. The staircase, conveniently, remains open for conventional use. The system is designed to carry 750 pounds, more than the 500 pounds normally associated with this kind of a device. Remote controls offer maximum user flexibility as relates to platform location. The loading ramp, acting as a Rear chock is a basic element of self-enclosed design. Travel time up the escalator is 24 seconds, and not unexpectedly is similarly on the way down. Today, almost 2 years later, the university and its prime collaborator, Wheelchair Escalators, LLC, are ready to introduce a fully engineered, patent-pending, tested product to the prosthetic equipment marketplace, which, interestingly, does not currently offer a truly competitive product. This presentation is the first step of that process. This presentation has 3 clear objectives. Number 1, we seek to identify a well-established national manufacturer/distributor of prosthetic products with whom we can reach a long-term, profitable relationship. Number 2, we hope to publicize the university's outstanding engineering co-op program, which almost guarantees more than 90% of graduating students with a job of time at graduation. And number 3, we hope it sets the stage for introducing other UDM well-engineered products to the market. Thank you for your time and your attention.